Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to the chemistry class. In this class we will discuss about the second chapter of class ninth, that is chemical changes and reaction. So what is the chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a chemical change in which matter changes into a new substance or substances. So chemical reactions are those type of processes in which during reaction a new substance will form. In a chemical reaction, the substance or substances taking part in the reaction are called reactants and are transferred into one or more new substances are called products. Means in the chemical reaction, those species which react with each other are called reactants, and after the reaction the substances which are formed are called products. Okay, so chemical reaction, during a chemical reaction the existing bond of atoms or group of atoms of the reactants are broken and new bonds are formed, resulting into the formation of new substance that are known as products. For example, N2 plus O2 react at 3000 degree centigrade and form 2NO, nitric oxide. So how these reactants react and this product will form? So you can see here that bond between nitrogen and nitrogen will break, and oxygen will also break, and this nitrogen and oxygen form a new bond, and this nitrogen and oxygen form a new bond. So like this, two moles of NO are formed. So you can see here that in case of reactants, bonds between the atoms are broken and new bonds between nitrogen and oxygen is takes place, formation is takes place. Okay, so it is the basic chemical reaction process. Bonds, what are the bonds? The linkage are forces which act between two atoms to hold them together. So what is the bond? So bonds are the basically force of attraction or the linkage which holds the atoms together. As a stable molecule is called a chemical bond, and the concept is known as the chemical bonding. So chemical reaction representation. So how a chemical reaction represent? A chemical reaction is represented by a chemical equation. So it is a short form representing the result of chemical change, reactants and products. For example, calcium hydroxide react with nitric acid to form calcium nitrate and water as a product. So left hand side always we can write the reactants, means those substances which reacts with each other or which are taking part in the reaction. Word equation, calcium hydroxide plus nitric equation acid. Right hand side, on right hand side always product will form as a result of the reaction, and word equation you can write as a calcium nitrate plus water. Now chemical reaction characteristics and its indications. The general chemical reactions characteristics. What are the characteristics? A chemical reaction is often accompanied by the external indications or characteristics. Characteristics kya are accompanying the chemical reaction? What are the characteristics, what are the properties by which you can find out that the reaction has been taken place or not? If you mix two reactants in a test tube and you want to find out that the reaction is performing or not, then how can you find out it? So there are some parameters are given here by which you can find out the process of the reaction, that the reaction is becoming or not. Okay, so what are the parameters? Let's see. Okay, number one is change of color. If there will be a change in reaction, if there will be a reaction takes place, then in the test tube the color change maybe takes place. Okay, so for example, copper nitrate on heating gives copper oxide and nitrogen dioxide plus water. Okay, so copper nitrate is a blue color. When it react, then copper oxide is formed, that will be a black color. So when the reaction will perform, then the color change has been takes place. Okay, so you can find out the reaction has been taken place. Lead nitrate white color, after the reaction gives lead oxide, that will be yellow color. So by changing of the color you can find out that a reaction is takes place or not. Second one is the evolution of a gas. So if there will be a chemical reaction takes place, then it may be a release of a gas, type of gas, different type of gases, reaction of and gas evolved. For example, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate react with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfide react with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate, water plus sulfur dioxide. So you can see here that a sulfur dioxide gas will release. Like that, calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, then it will form calcium chloride, water plus carbon dioxide gas will release. And next reaction is ammonium chloride react with calcium hydroxide, then it will gives ammonia gas. So different type of gases in which if the reaction will perform, then a evolution of gas will takes place. So by which you can find out that a reaction has been taken place or not. Okay, formation of precipitate. Third condition is formation of precipitate. First one was change in color, second one was evolution of gas. By evolution of gas you can find out, and third one is formation of precipitate. If there will be a reaction has been taken place, then after the completion of the reaction, a precipitate may be formed. Formation of precipitates. So certain chemical reactions characterized by the formation of insoluble precipitates. Let's see those type of reaction in which a precipitate will form. Lead nitrate and sodium chloride when react with each other, then sodium nitrate and lead chloride is formed. So lead chloride is a solid substance with white precipitate. Like that, other reaction, copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide when react, then sodium sulfate will form and copper hydroxides pale blue precipitate will form. So these are the reaction in which after the completion of reaction precipitate will form. Okay, now come to the evolution of heat. So it is the fourth parameter by which you can find out the process of reaction, chemical reaction. Reactions which proceed with evolution of energy or heat are called exothermic reaction and shown by the positive sign of delta. Reactions which proceed with the absorption of heat or energy are called as endothermic reaction and denoted by negative sign of delta. Reactions of and types of reactions. So nitrogen plus hydrogen when react, then ammonia is formed and amount of heat is released, then it is known as the exothermic reaction. Nitrogen plus oxygen when react with each other and nitric oxide is formed, then lot of energy is required to perform this reaction, means it is an endothermic reaction. Okay, so exothermic reaction, those type reactions in which heat is evolved, and endothermic in which heat is required to perform the chemical reaction. Okay, now types of the chemical reactions. So there are basically four type of chemical reactions are known. Number one is direct combination reaction. In this type of reaction, two reactants are combined with each other and a single product will form. So in combination reaction, always two reactants react and single product will form. Reaction of this type of combination reactions are examples: hydrogen plus oxygen when react, then water is formed. So hydrogen and oxygen are two different molecules. When they will react with each other, then water is formed, that is a single product. So it is a type of direct combination reaction. Second one is a decomposition reaction. So in decomposition reaction, a single reactant will break into two or more than two compounds. So these type of reactions are called as decomposition reaction. For example, a substance AB decomposed to give A and B. Example, calcium carbonate when heated, then it will gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, so it is a type of decomposition reaction. Next one is displacement reaction. So in displacement reaction, a chemical reaction in which an element or radical has replaced by another element or the compound. For example, A react with BC, then this A will replace this B from this compound and it will form AC plus B. Example of this type of reaction is magnesium when react with copper sulfate, then this magnesium will replace the copper of this copper sulfate and form magnesium sulfate and copper. Okay, so in displacement reaction, one element will replace to the other element of the compound. Okay, fourth one is double decomposition reaction. So in double decomposition reaction, a chemical reactions in which two reactants are both decompose to form new substance by exchanging their radicals. So AB will break A plus and B minus, CD will break in C plus and D minus. So A will combine with D and B will combine with C. So AD and CB will be the product. Now for example, AgNO3 and KCl, when react, then AgCl plus KNO3 will form. So these are the examples of decomposition reaction. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.